guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be feeding my birds in the bird feeder that I actually made. So I cleared a pathway to get through here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the food over here to our bird feeder. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. Okay, so I made that bird feeder out of a milk jug. And anyways, I took like markers and like some Sharpies and like drew some like little designs on it. And then we got some like wooden sticks to like put in through like each of the sides, so that way if they wanted to like sit on there, then they can. And then we just took some rope and then we just hung it up on the tree. So far it's working out pretty good, and I think that they love it. So now I'm gonna restock this cup and put it over here on the board, just in case of the birds who can't get in there, whenever the birds right now are going to be eating it, well then they have a second option. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up. Okay, so I just refilled my cup, but I was going to come over and show you guys this. So here are the sticks, and then right there's the bird seed, and then I just collared over it. I made this a couple years ago. And then, see, you just take a hole, boom, boom, and then you just take your rope around the tree, and then see, the birds will come over and eat it, and some of them will actually get in there. But yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead and refill this one. So then that should be good. Now then we're going to come over here to the board. Watch out for the tree legs. And like I said earlier, I'm going to pour some of this on there, so that way some of the birds can come over and get it. That is all. So now if we just give it a little bit, well, there's a bird that just went by. The birds will come over and eat it.